Hello there, this is Michael on Forex and we are looking at the next move for Euro USD. If this is your first time, welcome, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. So I would like you to watch to the end because I have got something for you. Now let's take a look at what Euro USD is telling us. Now we're starting with the monthly time frame because it's going to be a top-down analysis. Well, kind of a top-down analysis, but we would also see if there are immediate ways to make money as well. Now, we can tell that the market has been bearish, and we've seen this bearish move that has broken below the previous, these zones right here. Now we are seeing a range. Now this range might signify the fact that price wants to push higher, right? It might, but it doesn't necessarily mean so. So we've seen this range and it has stayed intact for some years, I think. Okay, for over a year now. Over a year, almost 2 years. And this range has been in play. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame and see what's happening. So within the range, we can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and then we'd also see the break below this higher low here. We see another attempt to make a high, but this is a lower high, and this is another higher low because it hasn't broken below this one. And we see this one is within the range of the previous high. So it's a very clear range, right? But what should be our next move? Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Using the daily time frame as our execution time frame, this is what I predict. Now if price comes into the zone, if price comes into the major zone, this major zone of the 1.08243 or somewhere really close, right? If price comes in contact with this zone, right, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, and price gives us a bullish day close on the daily time frame rather, it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. If this trade meets your confirmation, right? If the price comes low to this zone, gives us a bullish day close above that 1.08243 zone, and it meets your confirmation, you can go for a 1-to-1 buy trade right there. 1-to-1 because this is not a trend. This is not a market that is that has been trending for a while now, so we don't want to overstay our welcome, so just go for a 1-to-1 for now, right? This is what I would suggest for this buy scenario. Now for a sell scenario, you will see price push above this zone and come into this 1.10290. If we see price push into the zone of the 1.10290 zone and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone, now if this trade meets your confirmation, you can go for a 1-to-1 sell trade. A 1-to-1 sell trade would work with this. You can go for a 1-to-1 sell trade right there if it meets your confirmation, right? Now you only take any of these scenarios if they meet your confirmation. Now I know you might be wondering something. Well, the market price is currently at this significant zone of the 1.09139. now let's take a look at that and see if there's anything we can look out for there. Let's take this off first and see. Now for this zone, and because price has broken lower than it, so we are looking at predicting other zones. But now if we are going to take a trade at this zone, this is what I'll be looking for, right? This is what I would suggest that you do. If price closes if today's price action closes significantly above this zone, above the 1.09139 zone, if we have a bullish close above, then I'll suggest that if it meets your confirmation, you can go for a buy right there. You can go for a one-to-one buy because we already have a significant extended move over here, right? You can go for a one-to-one buy trade right there. But if price doesn't, close significantly above, if the next day, which is maybe tomorrow's candle or any day's candle, comes around and then gives us something like a candle, a day close candle that comes below that comes close or below the previous low of this current, which will be this current candle. If it comes below that, below or close to the low of this current candle, and then comes back to close above this zone, then you can look out for an opportunity to also go for a one-to-one buy trade in that scenario. I hope that is clear. I hope that's very clear. So it's a one-to-one risk reward ratio on any of these scenarios that I'm just that I just gave out to you. But for now, none of this as we can see, none of these things have really played out just yet, and they have not even met my confirmation. So if you would like to know the kind of trades that I'll be taking, if you would like to know the kind of trades that I took, or the kind of way I trade that earned me 100% win rate last month, in the month of September, well, you can join me on the premium forex signal service. This premium forex signal service goes for $200 monthly. In this service, you get highly profitable trading signals with high probability, high win rate, for $200 monthly. This is by Mike Earn, and you also get a 10% referral commission for everyone you get on board. Now, why is it $200? Well, one thing I can assure you is that the value you get on this service is really high and premium, just like the name says. You need to understand that the systems with which I derive signals that I post on this page or on this service are highly profitable trading systems, right, that have been tested and trusted over the years. I'm a forex trader, and I know for sure that the way you make money is not always by being in the markets. The way you make money is by trading when there are opportunities, right? And that is what I focus on here. I only post trades that I take myself. So I'm not a trader who just posts signals while I don't take those signals myself. No, I only take trades that I post myself. I only post trades that I'm also in myself. So I always ensure that these trades are highly profitable and high win rate, and also high probability. Yes. So yeah, like I said, last month we had 100% win rate. I'm not suggesting that we've had 100% win. We have 100% win rate every month. No, that's not what I'm suggesting. But what I'm telling you is that we trade this signal is so good that just last month, in the month of September, we had 100% win rate. And even a while ago, I think a few months ago as well, we also had another 100% win rate in this same here. So if you would like to be part of this, let me know. My direct Telegram contact is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. Copy the link to my direct Telegram contact, paste it in your browser, use the link, and it will direct you to my Telegram DM directly, and you can chat me up and let me know that you want to be part of the premium forex signal service, and I will get you on board. So this is very simple and straightforward, and it would really help you make a lot of money. I'm fully aware that a lot of traders have been struggling to make money, and this is an opportunity for me to help people make a whole lot of money from the forex market. The forex market doesn't have to be a nightmare. It doesn't have to be a nightmare. So when you come on board, you'll see how it's done, and you'll make a whole lot of money. Once again, it goes for 200 US dollars monthly. I'll be waiting for you. Thanks for watching.